our tiny house. We're gonna stay here for the next couple of weeks while we'll be searching for our new place in LA. So we're going apartment hunting today. It's actually, well, we have only 20 minutes to get there, although it's not that far. We are in the actually, like, I don't know if you can hear sirens, but we're in a pretty prime location. Like, it's close to everything. It's actually very nice. I'm gonna give you a tour of this place later on today because we're gonna run, but as you can see, we're in very good moods. It's good. So fingers crossed we're gonna find something soon. Okay, I'm gonna show you now our Airbnb. I'm gonna start with the living room. This is what it looks like. We have a nice couch here that you can make a bed out of it, which is pretty convenient if you, I don't know, you have guests. This can sleep 2 people, so not bad, but it wasn't super comfortable. We had to add some lumber pillows and we made it work. We brought our Dyson vacuum because we had a feeling we're not gonna have a vacuum here. We did, just it doesn't really work. So I'm glad we brought our Dyson. Here is Tortellino's bed. I don't know if you can hear the sirens outside. Hopefully not. We also brought our Apple TV, and it's a great tip because we just connected to the internet and we didn't have to log into any streaming apps because, you know, if we have Apple TV, it's already connected. So it's great. It just made things easier. There is a little patio for us. There's a shared yard, but it's like separated, so you have your own private section, which is pretty nice. There is a bedroom there. Here is the bathroom. I'm not gonna walk to the bedroom now because Tony has a meeting, so I don't want to bother him. It's fine. Here we have our washer and dryers, and this is amazing because a lot of those Airbnbs, they don't have washer and dryers. I hate using coin laundry, so this is super convenient. They even left us some laundry detergent over there, so pretty nice. Here is our fridge that is leaking. I told the host they're gonna fix it, but there's a lot of issues with this Airbnb. I'm gonna share them a little later. Anyhow, it's still amazing that they gave us like everything we need. We have kettle, we have an espresso machine, full size stove, microwave, dishwasher, toaster. They also like left a lot of things that you need, you know, if you live somewhere full time, like this is great. Everything you need. There's even some Tupperware over there. So this is my workstation. It was originally Tony's workstation, but now he switched to bedroom where there's another desk and a chair. So I used to work there, but it was a little dark. So we switched, and now I have this nice desk here. It's pretty nice to work out of this room. You just get so much light. There are even some skylights. Like, that's pretty nice. Oh, and we get AC, which is such a luxury. Here's our security camera. We always like to check on our pup here just to see if he's not barking or anything. And here are some bar stools. We just usually sit here and eat. Here is the bathroom, beautiful tile. A full-size shower, which is very nice. I wish I had more space for my products here, but it's fine. I made it work. Some of the products fell on the ground and crashed, but it's okay. I'm trying to make it work, so it's not bad. And here's our vanity. It's a little small. As you can see, I couldn't really fit anything on it, so I bought this cart from IKEA. Such a great purchase because this is where I keep all of my stuff, and it works, and it's amazing. I can't really make use of this vanity because that's not my stuff. Like, they just left some stuff, and I don't want to mix my stuff with other people's stuff because I don't want to, you know, lose them. So I'm just not using this space. It's fine. My squatty potty, which I brought. Yeah, pretty nice, cozy space. Aren't you the cutest? Aren't you the cutest?